Hello all. Today I am presenting my project, that is voice control laptop. In this I can control my laptop without using mouse or keyboard. I can guide it by my voice only. So let's have a look at its coding part first. First I import some libraries like speech recognition, datetime, web browser, OS, random, pygame. Then I define some function like play game, float snack, text screen, welcome screen, game loop, speak function, wish me function, date function, time, take command, and many more. Wish me function will wish me according to the time. Like if it was a morning time, he will say good morning, sir. Like likewise, he will wish me good afternoon, good night, sir. Date function will tell the current date. Similarly, time function will tell me the current time. Take command function will perform the task which was asked by the user. Let's try this code.
Good afternoon, sir. How may I help you, sir?
What is the current date?
5/2/2022.
What is the current time?
12 hours 13 minutes and 10 seconds.
Can you play a song for me? Songs. He play a song for us. There is a song. Let's back to our code. Search in Chrome.
What should I say?
YouTube.
Searching done.
Yeah. This will open our YouTube as well. Let's try something new now. Get back to our code. I want to play a game. Here is our game. The game is also designed by me itself. This is basically our game which we used to play in our childhood. Press enter to continue, and here are some instructions. Use arrow key to change direction. Okay, let's press the enter key. Black one is our snake and red one is our food. As soon as I get the food, my score will increase by 10. And here is my high score as well. Till now I can score maximum of 190. Let's start the game. Whenever I hit the ball, I will get out like this. Game over. Thank you.